Hello, I'm Ash Davis for Davis Electric again, and we're out here today at a customer's house, and I'm just doing a quick video of an installation of a natural gas powered Generac standby generator. It's just a nice home in Southwest Topeka, and they own a business that needs to be on all the time because they do a lot of services in Topeka where they need to be able to be reached by their customers 24/7. So in this service, it's a normal 200 amp service. We've incorporated a Generac 200 amp automatic transfer switch, which it senses for voltage, and it comes on within 11 seconds of a power outage. Right now we're on the other side of the house, and as you can see, we have a very large Generac generator. This is a liquid cooled series by Generac. It's a 27 kW, which is 27,000 watts, which comes across the house, and it's fed into a junction box into the house. Had a local plumbing company run me a dedicated line from the gas meter. So this will provide approximately 150 amps to the house, which is enough to run all of the appliances that you need. Heaters, stoves, air conditioners, the refrigerators, the freezers. They've got a spa here. So all the modern conveniences can still be had when you have an ice storm or you have a tornado, which takes the utilities from the city of Topeka.